Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kum kadak jong jing kemen halo ka jing pas bah ka Angel Joliza Marbanyang bat ka Ereen Lingdo Maulong. Kibalayo ban Rung Haka top 20 jong ka result SSLC bat ban pensilur syu ya ki wei pat ki khana puli ka St Thomas High Secondary School Mairang haka nyau tre gu yong ajap san kala le Burom haka rukom ka bakerpang ya ka Angel Joliza Marbanyang kabalayo bat ya ka kerdan ka bashpau bat ka Ereen Lingdo Maulong kabalayo ban bat ya ka kerdan ka bakat saw haka top 20 jong ka result SSLC arajap san ya kini ki arngut ki topper jong ka St Thomas High Secondary School Mairang la pedang Burom Maria Poi ha kherdop jong ka Skul da kinoi kai ka baki khna puli ki bayang ha arliang kalenti kila pedang Burom ya kini ki arngut da ka baken hoi bat risa harengkat kaput ketem ha kini ka Sngi Burom ka Angel bat ka Ereen kila yang ha pedang ka pelau jong ka Skul ban ajing keren hakmat ki khna puli kinoi kai bat hakmat ki kimi kipa ki belawan senran lang ki ha kini ka Sngi Pynkup Burom ka Angel Joliza Marbanyang bat ka Ereen Lingdo Maulong kilayo ru ban ot yuki jong ka jingjob bat kilayo ru ban Shad kemen bat ki para khna lem bat kinai kai halor kini ka jingjob jong ki ha ka jing puli.
So Angel and Ereen, we are very happy for you today. Congratulations once again. And thank you for doing well in your exams. You are the reason for us to be gathering today, and we are very proud of you. We have taken our school on the height, and our school is known today across the country because of you. I congratulate and appreciate other students who have done well in their exams, especially those who have secured distinctions in many of the subjects, especially the 8 students who have secured more than 80%. And some of you have just missed a few marks to enter the top list. So this is a day that we celebrate as a school for the good performance of our students. I take this opportunity to congratulate, to appreciate the hard work put in by sister who is there daily in the school and the teachers who have tried their best to give what is best to the students. And because of your skills that you have gained through your training and through your experience over the years, you have been able to give to the students what is best for them, what is needed to excel in their exams. And this is the fruit that we have gathered as a school by having 2 of our students who have entered the top list in the recent result of TMOs. So this is a time that I call every student to look up to Angel and Ereen, who are our examples of how to excel in our exams. I invite every student of our school to learn from them how they have done in their studies, how they have carried out their own behavior in the school. And therefore, this is a message that not only Angel and Ereen, but every student of our school is capable of performing well in their exams. I invite, therefore, that we learn from the batch that we are honoring today, who have done well in their exams, that all of you also can start studying and can start aiming high so that it is also possible for you. Once again, I thank the parents of both the students, Angel and Ereen, and parents of all the students of our school who have done well in their exam this year. Once again, congratulations. God bless you all.
I'm very, very grateful to God because not even once I got sick. I was very, very healthy. So I'm very, very grateful to God. And secondly, I would like to thank my mom and dad that they have helped me during my exams. Yarap yana ban iPod, ban krekot, ki kimchi penwet habana ong ban krekot. I would have not been here right now because of their help only. They are always pushing me, always telling me to do your best, to give your best. So thank you so much, dear teachers, for always being there for me, always helping me, whether it's personal matters or it's school matters. Jingkubleru ngakwaban ay sister Sisi ba judon ringka baju yangi. She always tells us to do our best, to give our best, and never to give up. So thank you so much, sister. I want to thank God for the blessings He showered upon me, especially for giving me the good health of body, mind, and soul, and also for giving me the strength that I was able to prepare well for this exam. And I would also like to thank my mom and my siblings, my family members, for always encouraging me throughout my life and in everything that I do. I would also like to thank the school management, especially father, sister, especially sister. Thank you for encouraging us and inspiring us so that we students are able to overcome any challenges. Sister, thank you for building our confidence. Thank you for instilling the spirit of competition in us students, and thank you for everything. Then, last but not the least, my beautiful, handsome, dashing, gorgeous teachers, thank you for the lessons that you've taught us. You've helped me not only to proceed academically but also personally. Without you, I can't even write a letter also. So thank you for everything. You've encouraged me, you've supported me, you helped me to build my confidence, to have self-worth and all. Thank you, dear teachers. And standing here as one of the toppers, I take this opportunity to thank my mother. She's the reason behind me standing here. She's the backbone of my success. She's everything. She's my hero,